Hello, viewers, friends all over the world. So happy today. So I feel like giving back to the society. I would like to teach like 10 smart individuals on how to start importing online, how to do online business. Online business is a very good business that even the importers will never disclose to you. It's so lucrative. It's something that if you start importing, and it's something that you can start with small amount of money, depend on the line you want to go into. I will teach you. If you want to start importing from China, I will teach you how to do that successfully and give you the contact link, the best way to ship to Nigeria, and how to draw traffic to your goods. Even if you want to use online, maybe you don't have to. Then if you want to go into computer, like my humble self, I'm into computer. I used to import from US. American use laptops. Those laptops are a very good business, very lucrative. Let me give you an example. Those laptops you normally see in the market, they are selling like 50,000-60,000. Believe me, you can get it landing cost here in Nigeria at the rate of 30-something thousand naira, meaning that you will be making profit of 15 to 20,000 naira to sell one. And it's a moving business that moves very well. I will show you how you can be promoting them on social media and how you can be drawing traffic to it. Then also show you how, if you want to be selling the computer peripherals like chargers, memory card, rest of them, I'll show you how you can be at the comfort of your home and then by importing them from China, including memory card and rest of them. These business are so lucrative. I know what I have achieved in this business. So I would like to teach some people. It's a one-on-one training where I would like to teach people that maybe if you're around Anambra State, you can schedule a day you come for one-on-one training on that. If not, if you're outside Anambra State, then you can follow me on YouTube. Because these days I want to be doing more of the things I'm doing on social media, using video, so that I'll be able to demonstrate some of them on video. So what I'm saying now is that if you want to learn how you can be at the comfort of your home, and we teach you, introduce you to companies you can buy, or genuine websites where you can buy those things at cheaper rate and start making money. So if you're interested, follow me to my YouTube channel, like and subscribe, so that you will be getting all the things we are making. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day. Have a nice day.